Hey guys, in this video we are going to see how to install Git on Windows 11 machine. So I'm currently on Git downloads page, and I will link this website in the description of this video. So let's just click on download for Windows, and I'm assuming you all have 64-bit Windows, so I'm clicking on that. You can also install using Winget tool for PowerShell, but let's go with the executables. So it has started downloading. It has been downloaded. So let's go into our downloads folder and double click on Git. Now we have the setup. Let's click on next. I'm going with the same destination folder as suggested by the setup, and I will create additional icons on the desktop, and I will not check for okay, let's check for daily updates. And I'm not using profile because I will be I will assign new profile to it. So click on next and start menu. Okay, I will not create a start menu folder, and it asks for editor you are going to use, so I'm going with Vim. You can change any editor here, and it is asking for adjusting name of initial branches, so let Git decide. And adjusting your path environment, so I will be going with the recommended option here, like the Git from the command line. Again, for next using the SSH executable, I will use the bundled OpenSSH, not the external one. And for this also I will be using the OpenSSL library. Just go with the default and configure the line ending conversations. Okay, I'm going with the default, and let's click on next. I will be using the default option here as well, and behavior of Git pull default, because for rebase and like fast forward we can use other things also, so I will be going with the default only. And for credential manager I will be using Git credential manager, and configuring extra options. Okay, I will be enabling file systems. Yeah, that's good. Experimental options. Okay, I will not be going with that, and let's install it. So it takes some time to install, so we'll be waiting for that. So Git has been installed, and let's launch it also, and let's cancel that. And can we check the version here? Let's try to check the version, and we can see that we have installed the Git version 2.4.1, and we have the Git bash here also. And you can also do it on terminal, like you can just go with the command. So let me just do that, and we have the 2.41.0. So yeah, that's pretty much of for this video, and meet you in next video.